Hey everyone, I'm Asma. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share something that completely transformed my English learning journey. The last tip is the most important one, so stay with me till the end of the video. Have you ever wanted to speak with a flawless American accent? I was just like you, struggling, trying to sound more natural, but not knowing where to start. Well, I'm here to tell you that I learned the American accent in just 3 days. Yes, you heard that right, 3 days. And trust me, it was nothing like I expected. Let me tell you a story. Here is the mind-blowing part. A few years ago, I was just like everyone else, trying to learn English, but sounding more like I was from a different country, the classic strong accent, and sometimes I could barely understand myself. So I had an aha moment one day when I heard an American speaker on a TV say one word, just one word, with such precision that it hit me like a lightning bolt. That word was water. Simple word, right? But the way she said it was completely different from how I said it. Instead of saying water like I did, she said it like water. And that's when I realized accents aren't just pronunciation, they're about patterns. Now, here's the real transformation happened. I didn't just want to know how to speak American. I wanted to understand patterns to make the American accent more unique. Here are the powerful tips I used to make the change. Tip number 1. Focus on vowel sounds and word stress. The first tip is all about the vowel sounds. Americans often reduce vowels in unstressed syllables, which makes words sound faster and more fluid. For example, instead of saying can't as can't, Americans often say it like can't, with a soft vowel. The key is to study the unstressed syllables, listen carefully to how natives speak, and mimic those vowels reductions. Trust me, once you start doing this, you will feel like an insider in the American accent club. Tip number 2. Master the flap T sound. Next up is a game changer, the flap T. This was the second thing I nailed. You see, in many parts of America, the letter T gets softened when it's between vowels. So instead of saying butter like butter, Americans say it like butter. It's almost like the T becomes a soft D. This one sound will instantly make you sound more American. And guess what? You'll feel so good saying it. Tip number 2. Master the flap T sound. Next up is a game changer, the flap T. This was the second thing I nailed. You see, in many parts of America, the letter T gets softened when it's between vowels. So instead of saying butter like butter, Americans say it like butter. It's almost like the T becomes a soft D. This one will instantly make you sound more American. And guess what? You will feel so cool saying it. Tip number 3. Intonation and rhythm. Finally, let's talk about intonation. American English is all about the rhythm. Instead of sounding monotone, Americans often have a natural rise and fall when speaking. So, for example, when asking a question, the tone rises at the end, like, where are you from? It's about that melody of speech. So pay attention to how native speakers use their intonation. It's one of the secrets to sounding natural and fluid. So these were my 3 biggest tips. And let me tell you, these aren't just tricks. I learned them in 3 days. But it was those small changes that had the most impact. And here's the mind-blowing part. In just 3 days, I started to receive compliments on my accent. People thought I had been only living in the US for years. They were shocked when I told them I had only been practicing for a few days. So that's the power of mastering the right patterns. Imagine, in just a few days, you could go from struggling with your accent to sounding more natural, confident, and American. So, if you're serious about learning, focus on these tips and make sure to practice every day. I promise you, it'll change your English forever. And if you think 3 days is impossible, I am proof that the right mindset and techniques, anything is possible. If you enjoyed this story and these tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. And let me know in the comments if you're ready to start your accent transformation. Let's do this together. See you in the next video.